In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows, create a process map, 5 minutes. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to turn any workflow into a clear visual map you can share with your team. To begin, log into your project management workspace, such as Asana, so you have a place to capture and organize what you discover. Having a shared home for your work makes collaboration and updates much easier. Start by choosing one process and defining what success looks like. Be specific about the outcome you want to achieve, whether it's faster approvals, fewer errors, or clearer handoffs. This goal will guide every decision you make as you map. Set the boundaries of your map by deciding where the process starts and where it ends. A tight scope keeps the map focused and prevents it from turning into a catch-all for unrelated work. Bring in the people who actually perform the work. Their perspective ensures accuracy and avoids assumptions. If a role is critical to the process, it should be represented in the conversation. Now brainstorm everything involved. List tasks, decisions, inputs, outputs, and who is responsible for each. Don't worry about order yet. Aim for completeness. Action items should read like verbs, and outputs should describe the tangible result. Once you have the raw list, arrange the steps in a logical sequence. Call out dependencies, parallel activities, and any prerequisites. This is where gaps or overlaps begin to show themselves. Use standard flowchart symbols to make the map instantly readable. Ovals represent the start and end points. Rectangles represent actions or tasks. Diamonds show decision points, often branching into different paths. Arrows indicate the direction of flow. Label arrows when a decision creates multiple branches so the logic is unmistakable. Create the map in your preferred tool and connect the symbols with clean, consistent lines. Place steps from left to right or top to bottom and keep spacing generous. If roles matter, consider swim lanes to show who does what without adding clutter. Share the draft with stakeholders and iterate. Ask where delays happen, where rework appears, or where steps are missing. Incorporate feedback and tighten the flow. Finally, analyze the map for improvements. Look for unnecessary handoffs, duplicate checks, long wait times, or steps that don't add value. Propose streamlining changes and capture next actions in your workspace so improvements turn into real results. Save the map, publish it where your team works, and revisit it as the process evolves. That's how you build a clear, reliable process map.